Um, Weird place. Bathroom. Uh, it's got good light. Uh, yeah. Sorry, but I finally sealed. I'm gonna stop. Field notes. I'm carrying that. Here's the types of pens. My pocket knife. That's only on the weekend. I actually wanted to say, what do you want to call it? Truth now. Something I had for, 8, 9 years. I had for a freaking long time. But it's the Gerber shard. And why I'm making this video is because you put I did terrible paracord on that. It's good to play with, fidget with, and you can carry it anywhere. School, you can take it through TSA. Airport, don't know that. Yeah, the airport lets you carry this on the plane. Nothing sharp on it. This part is used a lot. It's the Phillips. The metal part. I know this is mostly for prying. Plus, it's got a flat head. My bathroom light does that. If it gets too hot. So, you know what? What does it say? The middle part and the Phillips gets used a lot. Well, the whole thing gets used a lot. I'd say it's not the natural color it used to be. That's for sure. I just realized that. That, the natural color or this thing, it looks black on it. Sorry. Just. Kind of. It's not really its original color. But I use this always at work to we have carts that have food on them. Sometimes we have other carts that have racks on them. Sometimes the racks come loose. I use that a lot. So, the metal part It's not sharp, but it does, if you get it in the right angle and slide it can cut through tape pretty well. Bottle opener gets used a lot. I learned if you're using a bottle opener, I should add a bottle opener, that you hold it like this. Because if you hold it up, well, you can hold it up here, but you got a 60% chance of your finger getting cut, even though it's not sharp. I cut myself before. Another thing. Hang on. I like to use the pry bar. Oh, Pepsi can, just to let you know. Actually, I'm an RC cola guy. Pull tabs. You easily open it up. You could do it this way. No, mostly this way. Because if you're like me, I get nervous a lot, so I bite my nails a lot. That's part of my disability. I put the orange paracord on it because Gerber's color is orange. That's what I've known so far. And if you swing this good enough, probably could use it as a self-defense tool. Because that really hurts. Yeah, I never really looked at it, but man, it has that black coat that used to be on it, kind of not there anymore. Got more of that gray look to it. Wow. I mean, like in some spots, it has black coat on it, but more of that unfinished look. But the other thing, and I actually got for free because my stepdad does construction and he found it on a job site. They didn't do just construction, just HVAC. This thing, he's doing duct work. It was inside one of the duct works. Like the vents you put up, that he cleans the vents. Found this in one of the vents of a house. They're called rehab houses. They're basically completely gutted houses. You probably all know what that is. And he found this in the vent. He gave it to me. When I got it, it was basically brand new. When I first had it, I didn't use it a lot, but the past 4 years, I had this for like 8, but for the past 4 years, I've been using it more often than usual. So I have a paracord once in my pocket like this, pull it out. Alright. I say if you guys don't have one of these, you guys need to pick up these. That's it.